Hello, Chuck Fry here from Visual Velocity. One visual thinking application that's really captured my attention lately is something called Poppy AI. Imagine a combination of a whiteboard tool like a Miro or Mural, plus a mind mapping tool plus AI rolled into one. And that's what Poppy AI is all about. What it does, and what I'm about to show you, is that it enables you to create collections of content. As you can see here, you've got all sorts of social media content, Facebook ads, voice recordings, which it instantly transcribes and can be used by the AI, images, text blocks, website URLs. You can even create simple mind maps within this tool, documents, and then you can put them into what they call groups, which you see there are two of them on screen here. And by creating these collections, what you can then do is open up an AI chat window, which I've just done here, and then connect these resources. Hold on. To the chat window so that the AI can use them. And the videos, for example, it transcribes them immediately. There we go. It transcribes them immediately, so all of the content within these web pages or within these videos that I've collected here is immediately accessible to the AI engine. In this case, I've selected Claude 4 Sonnet. And what I can then do is ask questions of the AI, and it will look at the information it's analyzed from these files, and it will give me an answer. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here so you can see a little better. But one of the things that I'm interested in learning is of these influencers who are creating content about Poppy, what do they see as the greatest value that it provides? So let's ask the AI engine that question now. As you can see, it immediately provides not only some great applications, but in some cases, actual citations to specific influencers who are seeing this value. What I'm trying to demonstrate here is it took me 5-10 minutes to do some Google searches and collect these videos and these web page reviews of Poppy AI. And then less than a minute for Claude 4 Sonnet to look at all this information that Poppy has gathered here and to come up with the answers to my questions. Basically, that's anything that's connected in this way can be used by the AI. So for pure research, it's fantastic. There are users that are actually looking at best practices and frameworks that some of the most persuasive copywriters on the planet have put out on YouTube, for example, and you can load that into Poppy AI along with other resources and then tell it, I want to create a set of 5 emails on this particular topic, and here's where the background information on that is located. And it will write persuasive emails in the style of this copywriter, not plagiarizing them, but being influenced by their style and their hooks and the way that they phrase things to persuade people to buy a product. So for marketers, researchers, entrepreneurs who are trying to come up with new product ideas or trying to strengthen the value proposition of their fledgling business, I think Poppy AI has a lot of potential. As you can see, it's very easy to use. It has kind of a creative flair to it compared to the Spartan look of most AI tools. I'm really enjoying working with it. And again, I want to emphasize how much time you would save by collecting resources and having the AI analyze them in this way, as opposed to manually reading through or watching all these videos and taking notes on them. I think this is a fantastic time saver.